How to download and install Adobe Photoshop Express in your Windows 11. So welcome to my channel guys, Netcast on WebTech Zone. So at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comments below. So Adobe Photoshop Express is a free web application you can use as a free, and you can, if you are a graphic designer, you can edit the photos and images on this. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the perfect way how you can download it in Windows 11. So let's start with the video guys. First we need to search for Microsoft Store. Here in search bar, search for Microsoft Store. Okay, so this is a Microsoft Store, just click on it. Now here you need to log in with your Microsoft. Okay, so there is a Microsoft Store here, so we need to search here for Adobe Photoshop Express. Okay, here you can see this is a application which we need to install in our window. So just click on it. So it is free, you can get it free. Just click on get it, so it will be start installing in your window. So it will take few seconds, few minutes. You can see it is preparing for download. It start downloading now. It is only 44 MB. It's almost completing. Yeah, it's done now. So it's already installed in your PC. Now you need to open it. So it will be open like this. So you need to just read all the notes and click on next, then go to the get start. Here you need to log in with your account. You can log in with your Google account, Facebook ID. If you have Adobe ID, you can log in with, or you can simply log in with manual email ID. Okay, so I just go to the continue with Google. And if you have a mobile app of Adobe Photoshop Express, then you can simply scan this barcode from your mobile app, and you can simply log in here directly from your phone. Okay, so here I'm going to log in with my Google account only. So just I need to click on it. Okay, so here this is your email ID. You need to choose the email ID and continue. Now this pop-up window will be open. Now we need to click on open the Adobe Photoshop Express. Then here it will be start. So they are asking for the image source. So just select the pictures from your window, just click on it and select any picture. So here you can see this is the picture, and you can edit, like you can crop, you can do many things here. Okay, you can highlight something, you can correct the brightness and all. After done, you can go for save, and you can save this file as in your PC, rename it and save it. Okay, and here the another two options you will get, where you can share directly images from here, or you can simply print from here. And your bottom left you can see this setting gear icon. Here you can see some settings you can check out, like image resize if you want, image quality. Okay, you can minimize or maximize the image quality like this. After done, just come back. Okay, now you can close that app. Now if you want to again open it, you need to just come to your search bar and search for Adobe. Then you can see this app, it will be visible here. You can click here and it will be open. So same, you need to select the picture and you can make edit, and you can save the picture from here. So that is how you can download and install the Adobe Photoshop Express in your Windows 11. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.